So it's basically about these two kids who are very, very close to each other. Danny and Danielle, who will be played by Richard Gutierrez and Izo Locsin. And they grow up to love each other, fall in love. But because of the circumstances of where they live in Hacienda, they work in that Hacienda. Si Andrea falls in love with the Haciendero's son. And then Danielle, they separate. And then Danielle later falls in love with the Haciendero's daughter. And it's all about how their love and their love story, their relationship, surpasses even these obstacles that happen.
Kasi delikado rin ang lagay ng yaya di ba? Kasi parang siya nakakaalam ng sikreto, siya ang gagawa ng paraan. Pero hanggang sa kahuli-hulihan, pinagtanggol niya si Andrea kasi alam niyang totoong pag-ibig ang nararamdaman ni Andrea.
It's a very deep love story between two friends na lumaki ng sabay. At yung lalaki, ayaw na niyang mahiwalay sa babae, pero yung babae, may mga ibang pangarap. The whole movie revolves around love and how love will conquer everything. We're just wishing for the best for the movie, and ako gusto ng person mapanood ng mga tao kasi talagang maganda yung movie at pinahirapan ko namin. Kung umabot ka ng 100 million, 120, that's good. Gusto ko lang po sana kung gusto natin mapanood ng mga tao.
May possibility ba na malilero kami kung kaya sa lapit?
Hindi naman po mahirap na yung love agent. She's a great girl, and I consider it a very special someone in my life. Alam mo na siya may conclusion sa mga kung anong pwede mangyari. Tignan na po natin. Pero alam mo na, close any doors, kung ano po yung meron ko Angel ngayon, I consider that very special to me. Dun sa pangalawang question nyo, ano naramdaman ko after the second passion. I was very happy with the team. I was very happy. I was very proud. And I felt like ako na yung pinaka-swerte na nasa mundo dahil Angel Locsin ito ay good sa iyo.
We were thinking of a movie of having a Valentine movie that was different from our previous Valentine offerings.
Kasi nung una, we're trying to look for a very good material in order to develop our talent.
If you recall, our first was Let the Love Begin, and then I Will Always Love You, na both were light romantic comedies, light dramas.
And this Valentine, sabi namin, gusto namin makita namin na kung paano sila umaling sa pag-arte, how they would be able to graduate from roles, yung mga silly bumper roles, and how to make them as actors and actresses.
So, to be different, we wanted to produce a movie that would show a deeper kind of love, more romantic, more mature.
And I think this one, after 3 years, and of course after Click and Mulawin and all that, I think their fans are really ready.
Bagay kasi sila eh.
Kasi I see them off-screen. And nakikita ko talaga what you see on-screen. Parang gano'n din sila off-screen. They're very close, laging nagbibiruan, sweet. And of course, si Richard naman never niyang pinagkailanan ng ligaw siya kay Angel before.
And I could only wish that if you guys were on the set, you would also see the sparks off-screen. Iba talaga sila the way they work off each other.
It is going to be a Filipino classic. It is a movie that you're going to remember. And we're very, very happy to be part of that.